savvy with LavvieBot.
Hi, I'm Jeff, and this is Stanley. We have a busy house. With 4 kids, visiting pets, and general commotion, it's important for Stanley to have a space that he can call his own. Regular cat trees and condos wouldn't do, so we developed the cat case. Cat case uses stackable modular units, each 36 inches by 18 inches by 10. Modules come in 3 configurations, large, windowed, and single, and each module is available in 4 finishes. Putting the cat case together is quick and painless, while the modular nature of the design means that you can stack and organize the pieces any way you see fit. Once fully assembled, the cat case is strong, durable, and stable. Whether to avoid other animals, take a bath, stretch claws, or just chill out, the cat case provides cats with a space of their own while increasing the appeal and design of your home. Why are we on Kickstarter? Because we want to offer the cat case to more people at a better price. Bulk material orders and scaled production will allow us to offer the cat case at about half the cost of smaller orders. This means we'll be able to put cat cases in more homes and make more cats purr. We've done the design, figured out manufacturing, and now we need your help to bring this project to life. Please pick a reward that fits your needs below and back the cat case. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Peter Cohen, and this is my house in Santa Barbara, California. I'm a builder by trade, and I've been building these kind of catwalks for 25 years. We built the first one, and the cats liked it, so we kept building them. Currently we have 22 cats, which sounds kind of insane, but with all the catwalks, there's plenty of vertical space, and the cats spread out. The catwalks allow the cats to go up high, which is naturally what they like to do. They feel safer. So by building catwalks in the house, we go from a one-dimensional floor to letting the cats live in the whole space, and it lets us have more cats. It's also kind of enjoyable. And I've been working with Vivi to find a way to make the catwalks that I build more affordable. She came up with these kit forms that look like my catwalks. They're floating. You can't see how they attach. They come in different colors, and you can join them together like mine. We have short ones and medium ones, and you can make them as long as you want. And as you can see, the cats like them just like my walks. So catwalks can be installed in any kind of home, whether you live in a small apartment or a large two-story house. They're completely customizable. You can put one in, you can put 20 in. The cats will enjoy being able to go up high. They hold up to 25 pounds, which is more than 2 cats on one shelf. They come in many colors, including green, my favorite color. And as you can see, the cats like it. So I met Vivi sometime last year, and she had lost a kitten to FIP, which, like anyone who loses a cat to that disease, it changes you, and it changed her, and it motivated her to use her company to help fund research for FIP. She does that by designing really cool, colorful cat products. One I really like is this water bowl. It's designed very big so the hookers don't hit the sides, and they're hand painted, and they're in bright colors, which I like, and we have quite a few of them throughout the house. We build catwalks because the cats love to go up high. It gives the house a lot more space for the cats, and we finally found a way to bring our catwalks to make them more affordable. We're launching a Kickstarter program. If you share it, support it, you can get these catwalks at below retail price, and you can help us bring these to market. Please share it, please support us. Thank you.